Hello everyone, here we are with more useful content, this time to help you with IELTS writing as a part of the ongoing IELTS video lesson series. In today's video, we will learn about the layout and structure of discuss views and give opinion essay type. So let's start. The IELTS writing module goes on for 60 minutes, out of which 40 minutes are provided for writing task 2, that is essay writing. The objective is very clear and straight, which is to write an essay on the given topic. No prior information or special knowledge is required to write essays as the topics are generic in nature. The number of paragraphs vary according to the essay question type. Some essay questions can be answered fully in 4 paragraphs, while some require 5 to be answered completely and sufficiently. Let's take a look at such an essay question type. In the previous video, we learned how to respond to argumentative or agree-disagree essay questions. This video's primary focus would be learning how to write discuss views and give opinion essays. Here is a sample question. Some people say that museums should be free of charge for the public while others oppose. So in the topic statement, we have opposite premises. A group of individuals believe that museums should have no entry fee, whereas the other side says that the people should be paying to get into museums. In other words, according to the second group of people, entry fee should not be waived off. So two different ideas are given in the topic, and the task is to discuss both the views by presenting relevant arguments and explanations. Also, we need to state our opinion. It is very important to cater to each demand of the task to score well in the task response parameter and eventually in the writing module. If someone does the task without missing out any aspect of the question, scoring a band 7 does not remain a challenge. Hence, reading the question carefully is undoubtedly quite crucial. Now let's take a look at the format and writing style. For this type of question, 4 paragraphs would suffice. The layout comprises an impressive introduction followed by 2 body or content paragraphs, body 1 and body 2, and finally culminating with a strong conclusion. The word count for this question type is here for your reference. The introduction and conclusion should be written within 35 to 45 words each, while the body paragraphs should not contain less than 90 words to fulfill the total word count of the essay. Alright, now it's time to understand the constituents of each paragraph in the layout. In the introduction paragraph, 2 elements need to be included: the paraphrased version of the topic statement and the thesis statement. Please note that there will be no question reference statement for this type of question. To begin this paragraph, just rewrite the topic in the question box in a different way, but at the same time making sure its meaning doesn't change. Then the thesis statement will provide an outline of the essay. An example has been given here for your reference. Before stating my position, both the views have been elucidated. You could write this statement in any way you want. Then comes body 1. Now, interesting thing to note here is that body 1 will only talk about view 1 given in the question, and view 1 belongs to the people who support the idea of free entry to the public in museums. An important note to remember: contradicting views or ideas should not be discussed in the same paragraph, as this weakens the structural integrity and progression of the para and essay. So in short, one paragraph equals one central idea. Now, let's focus on the layout of body 1. It has 4 elements: topic sentence, linker, supporting ideas, and an example. The body paragraph commences with a topic sentence such as: some people assert or argue that museums should allow visitors without any charge. Then a linker such as most importantly is added to indicate the beginning of supporting ideas. The supporting ideas are the reasons or main points which back up the main idea. At least 2 or maximum 3 supporting ideas should be added in each body paragraph. The paragraph then ends with unequivocal evidence which elaborates and explains the last supporting idea. This format maintains coherence and establishes progression in the internal structuring of the paragraph. Remember, this paragraph should be written within 90 to 110 words. Next comes body 2. It should also contain the elements as in body 1, except for the fact that this body will begin with a linker such as however, On the contrary, or on the other hand, since the opposite view is going to be the central idea of this body paragraph. After the linker, the topic sentence will be presented, followed by 2 to 3 supporting ideas and an example. The word count for this paragraph will be the same as the previous body within 90 to 110 words. Finally, it's time to write the conclusion. The conclusion consists of only 2 parts, a concluding linker and our opinion. Linkers such as to sum up, to conclude, to recapitulate, or to summarize work perfectly. For the opinion, you could agree with one of the views presented above, but make sure you don't make it look like an agreement. Just frame the view in a way that appears to be your original opinion. Your opinion could also be a mixture of the views stated above. Whichever way you choose, just make sure your opinion is easy to follow and contains relevant ideas. Also, since conclusions are meant to be concise, ensure that your opinion doesn't take more than 40 to 45 words. Exceeding the word count by a big margin could affect the overall band score. Here is a quick overview of what we have learned so far. 4 paragraphs, intro as suggested, view 1 and view 2 are explained in bodies 1 and 2 respectively, and our opinion goes in the conclusion. This question type could also be asked a bit differently. Now here is how that can happen. The question topic reads, some people believe that museums should be free of charge for the public. Here, unlike the previous topic, only one view has been given, and the objective is to discuss the view and state our opinion. The word count distribution will not see a change, however, the layout will. Introduction and conclusion will remain the same. In this case, body 1 will talk about the only view given, and body 2 will illustrate our personal thoughts on the topic, and the conclusion will be a brief amalgamation of body 1 and 2. Body 1 structure remains the same as previously illustrated. Body 2, however, will begin using opinion stating discourse markers such as in my opinion, or I personally believe that. These signposting words clearly indicate that central idea consists of the writer's own opinion on the matter. Then as usual, the main idea will be followed by 2 to 3 supporting ideas and an example to illustrate them. Hope you understood the layout of discuss views and give your opinion essay structures. Feel free to share your responses using the layout we learned for the same question in the comment section. Hope you found this video helpful. We will be soon back with more such useful content. Thank you for watching.